Nobody has time to waste. Nobody wants to waste their data. Nobody wants to waste their time. Everybody is smart. But people will not ignore a source of something hanging with it and go to their own things. That is why this place is a place of resources. The behind the speech, the behind the knowledge. No, all God-given gift. And I don't choose to keep it. Somebody say, why now? And when somebody commenting on my blue app, Alabama. Awesome, why now, bitch? I am an eager release the distance, but why now? That answer, I cannot say it. Blue Apple FB. The meaning of FB. Imana use boom block why? Now block. Yes. Why now? Why is it now? Can you release all these messages now? Why EJ release this message? Why now? I am an EJ message release here. Say, no, this is the appointed time. There's always an appointed time for everything. Our people, they down. Our people need the help. Even on my inbox, you need backward. People need me voice note, need backward. Men and women, and well, nobody, and well, also women. Work the emotional like work the insecure like work with fear of uncertainty is like yes, all individual differences, but when you care. When you see people's things people in their face, both in relationship, both in their personal life. A guy going Westman, I have been addicted, I'm on addiction for so long. I don't know what to do. People see me that I'm the perfect outside when I'm with my colleagues, but no, I am very much addicted. I say I want them to make therapy. But trust me, it got cost to be something. It will cost you to turn around. It will cost you to leave that thing. Trust me, I was once there like you. The only difference you may observe now during those days, not in my 20s, some of you have tattoo din alone. All my tattoo representing my ignorance. And one of them fancy tattoo now. Some of you don't know. All my tattoo, SMA, I'm not inside. I did it in Bueno prison. It's a reminder of my ignorance. My ignorant years in the ignorant, years in believing and the smart, but at the end of the day, I realized no. But I thank God for the retentive memory. The change